Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about how you can add a ERC20 token to your Metamask wallet. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. Now the first thing that you will need to do is go to CoinMarketCap, and let's take an example. If I want to add Bone Shiba swap to my Metamask wallet, then I will simply search for Bone Shiba swap. And over here in the contract should be Ethereum because Ethereum is a ERC20 network. And then there is BEP20 network also, for which I will make a separate video, but in this video we are only focused with ERC20. Now the easiest way to do this is simply go over here, and if you check near the contract, it's showing add to Metamask. We'll go ahead and add to Metamask. Now wait for Metamask to load, and as you can see it's showing add suggested tokens. I will go ahead and add it, and if I open my Metamask over here, then I will be able to see Bone Shiba swap. See, as you can see, Bone Shiba swap. Now let's take an example. If you don't have uh, this on CoinMarketCap, any token is not there on CoinMarketCap, but you have the contract address of that token, then in that case I will simply click on, I will copy this token first, for example, and I will head back to my Metamask wallet. And if you go down, do you see this refresh list or import token? Click on import token, and you can search over here by the name, or we will go in custom token and simply paste it over here. Now since the token has been already added, it's showing token has been already added. If not, then you can simply paste the contact address, uh, press the symbol, and you can put the decimal up to 18 places, and then simply click on add custom tokens. As it has been already added, it's not giving me the option to add custom token. So it is this simple to add any ERC token to your Metamask wallet. And the thing that you should know is you should be on the Ethereum mainnet for doing it, because Ethereum mainnet is for ERC20 token. And for BEP20 token and other tokens, you have to select the respective chain. And still, if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.